What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a update on Plastidip. That's right, Plastidip, the stuff you throw in your car to make it colorful if you don't want to paint it. It's supposed to be temporary. And I will still say, if you're gonna, change your car or change certain parts of it for like 6 months, maybe a year, and you put on enough layers to make it nice and thick so it can peel off easy, it is totally fine. All right, very commonly used on wheels. Some people don't want to paint their wheels permanently. Maybe they just want to black them out or do a certain color or something. That's cool, and I would still stand behind Plastidip for short-term usage. However, I've had Plastidip on the chrome accents on my car now for 3 years, and after 3 years, it's almost impossible to get off. You can't actually peel it off, all right? And I did 4 to 5 layers on here, so it's nice and thick. But going through the different seasons, I happen to live in northeastern Pennsylvania. We have moderately warm summers. Doesn't really get, I would say, above 90 degrees very often at all. Wintertime gets down to about 0 on some occasions. But going through that process for 3 years now, it's pretty much baked onto the car. So the only way I can get off is with some goof off. All right, I know the Gooby Gone also works. All right, so what I have to do is squirt this on a rag. You can see all the Plastidip that's on here. All right, so find a clean spot, squirt some on there, and literally just scrub it. All right, so there's a chemical reaction that kind of melts the Plastidip, and it adheres it to the rag. All right, huge pain in the butt. So let's take a quick look at what that looks like. So I have to find a clean spot on the rag, like right here. Squirt some on there. This one's almost done. And literally just scrub it off, little by little. All right, and once you get into the thicker layer and kind of smear it across, it's going to leave residue, so you have to go back and you have to clean it again, over and over again, just repeating this process. All right, once you get a little spot, all right, go back and do it again. You can see that sticks to the rag. So needless to say, it is a huge headache. Just a heads up, if you're considering using Plastidip, or if you already have Plastidip on your car, I really wouldn't suggest having it on there longer than, say, a year. All right, for me, I'm taking all this black off, but I am going to permanently paint it just because I wanted a blacked out car. The Plastidip was cool to get a look at it, but I really should have taken this off, a few months after having it and permanently painted it then. It's good for short term, definitely not long term. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.